would have known that I went from having no volume in my hair to all of this volume with just some clip-ins from Amazon. In today's video, we're going to be giving our edges a little break and we will be doing clip-ins today. So as you can see, I went ahead and put my hair in a ponytail because I have super fine thin hair and a braid, and I will be using a crochet knit. This gives some extra security, and the reason why I like this knit is it just gives the track something to hold down to where it's not snagging on your own hair, and it just holds better. So if you want to curl the hair or anything like that, then you have that extra security. So we're going to start out with taking the clip-ins, and this is what they look like. These are from Amazon. They are straight. I have used them once before and decided to go ahead and show you guys a hairstyle alternative to kind of give your edges a break from wigs. And so I'm just going to start at the very bottom of the nape. And so see how secure, super secure. So I'm going to go up here in the front. I'm just going to add some tracks like right around here because this is where my bald spot is. And so I want to make sure that this side is like really secure. I'm going to go in with my Kiss Quick Cover Root Touch-Up Spray. And I'm just going to take my rat tail comb just so that I can keep my part this up. And I'm just going to spray, secure some of those little areas so it looks a lot thicker here. And that gives you a little extra security. And then we are just going to take a little bit of edge control and slick those edges back. I'm just using jam. We're going to take our little hair dye pin comb, and I love using this comb with the jam. It just helps it to blend better, and just a little teeny bit in those balding areas like so, and just blend it back towards the hairline, away from the edges, the front of the edges. And see how it's just kind of marrying into the jam and giving the illusion of a much fuller edge hairline on those edges. Just a little bit, and blend away from the hairline like so, as best as you can. And if you get too much on the edges, just get a little alcohol and wipe it off. And just in case the wind blows back I have a little extra security. Wow. Wow. These clip-in extensions are super affordable on Amazon. Great find. They blended in well with my hair. And they're easy, soft. They don't shed. They're not tangling up. And most of all, it's super secure on my head. Definitely alopecia friendly, a way to just get off of your edges. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about the hair extensions. And that does it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.